Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Craft projects demand precision tools that deliver consistent heat and easy handling. The best cordless heat gun for crafts helps you work freely without cords, perfect for embossing, shrink wrapping, and DIY details. Lightweight, portable, and efficient, it upgrades your crafting experience effortlessly. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. CRAFTSMAN 1500 Watt Heat Gun. The CRAFTSMAN 1500 Watt Heat Gun is a dependable corded option designed for users who prioritize consistent power and performance over portability. With its variable temperature control ranging from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides excellent flexibility for a wide variety of tasks, such as paint stripping, plastic bending, and shrink wrapping. The adjustable dial is straightforward to use, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced DIY users. One of its strongest features is the dual fan speed system, allowing you to control airflow depending on the job, which improves efficiency and precision. The 1500-watt motor ensures steady high heat output without fluctuations, which is especially important for longer projects. The integrated support stand is a thoughtful addition, enabling hands-free operation and improving safety during continuous use. Additionally, the 6-foot cord gives enough reach for most indoor tasks without feeling restrictive. However, since it is corded, mobility can be limited compared to battery-powered models.
Number 2. FULLYEA 1022 degrees Fahrenheit Heat Gun. The FULLYEA 1022 degrees Fahrenheit heat gun is a versatile cordless tool that offers excellent convenience and mobility for users who need flexibility in their work environment. Featuring 2 temperature settings, 572 degrees Fahrenheit on low and 1022 degrees Fahrenheit on high, it covers a broad range of applications, including shrink tubing, crafting, and paint removal. The standout feature is its cordless design, powered by 2 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, allowing extended working time by swapping between batteries. This makes it ideal for outdoor projects or areas without easy access to electricity. The heat-up time is quick thanks to its powerful motor, ensuring minimal waiting time before starting tasks. Additionally, the included 5 nozzle attachments enhance its versatility, allowing for more precise heat direction depending on the job. Safety is also well addressed, with a built-in safety lock to prevent accidental activation, along with an ergonomic handle that ensures comfort during prolonged use.
Number 3. VENUSTEK 1022 degrees Fahrenheit Heat Gun. The VENUSTEK 1022 degrees Fahrenheit heat gun is a feature-rich cordless option designed for users who want precision and advanced control. Equipped with dual 4.0 amp-hour batteries, it ensures continuous operation by allowing users to swap batteries, which is especially useful during longer tasks. Its digital display is a major highlight, providing real-time temperature and airflow information, which adds a level of precision rarely seen in similar tools. The adjustable temperature range from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit in 10 degrees Celsius increments allows for highly accurate heat control, making it ideal for delicate tasks such as vinyl wrapping or electronics work. Additionally, the 5 fan speed settings offer further customization for airflow, enhancing overall performance. The ergonomic rubber handle improves comfort, reducing fatigue during extended use. The included 5-piece nozzle set increases versatility, enabling the tool to handle everything from thawing pipes to removing adhesives. Safety features like overheating protection and a hands-free stand mode make it both durable and user-friendly. While battery life per charge is somewhat limited at higher temperatures, the dual battery system compensates effectively.
Number 4. FULLYEA 1404 degrees Fahrenheit Heat Gun. The FULLYEA 1404 degrees Fahrenheit heat gun is another strong cordless contender, offering a balance between precision and portability. Its digital LCD display sets it apart, providing clear visibility of temperature settings, which range from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 1004 degrees Fahrenheit across 25 adjustable levels. This fine control makes it suitable for a wide variety of tasks, from delicate crafting to heavier duty applications like paint removal. The addition of 4 airflow speeds further enhances customization, allowing users to adjust heat intensity based on specific needs. Weighing just 2.2 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, which is ideal for extended use or working in tight spaces. The cordless design, powered by two 4.0 amp-hour batteries, ensures flexibility and uninterrupted workflow, especially when alternating between batteries. Compatibility with Makita batteries is an added advantage for users already invested in that ecosystem.
Number 5. Smart Jerry Heat Gun. The Smart Jerry Heat Gun stands out as a premium cordless model packed with advanced features for professional-level performance. Its fast 7-second heat-up time is impressive, allowing users to begin work almost instantly. The LCD display provides real-time temperature readings, with adjustable settings ranging from 50 degrees C to 550 degrees C in precise 5 degrees C increments, offering exceptional control for both delicate and heavy-duty tasks. One of its most notable features is the 6-speed airflow system, which allows for highly customized operation depending on the application. The built-in LED light is a thoughtful addition, improving visibility in low-light conditions and enhancing precision. Safety is also a key focus, with features like a safety lock, overheat protection, and an automatic cool-down function that ensures safe handling after use. The cordless design provides excellent mobility, while the included battery, charger, and premium carrying case make it a complete ready-to-use kit. Wrapping up, choosing the right cordless heat gun can make every craft smoother and more enjoyable. Focus on power, battery life, and comfort to match your projects. With the right tool in hand, your creativity flows easier, helping you achieve cleaner finishes and more professional-looking results every time you craft.